This is everyone's favorite room in the whole house, the sunroom. Countless cups of coffee have been had here as the day begins and the sunrise starts to roll over their view of the forest. Open concept by design, but with dimension, giving each area its own personality and creating the perfect canvas to entertain friends and family throughout the year. The thoughtful layout gives everyone their own space, whether that's for a workout room, a home office, or extra bedrooms. 1268 Pandion is where sophistication meets functionality and where everyone feels at home.